It's Margarita, and we are back with another fragrance from Derek Lam, A Hold on Me. So I went ham for Derek Lam, like I said in one of my other videos. This presentation is so nice. I love the bright colors. Like, I would keep the boxes just for display purposes, but they all come in a 3-piece gift set. And this one is just so sunny. I would think that A Hold on Me would be something dark, like more of a black or a navy blue. But no, it's bright and sunny. Let's see what the fragrance smells like. And while this is drying, I'll read the notes. So A Hold on Me only has 2 listed notes, tiger lily and pimento seeds. And I'm not a fan. It smells like seasoning. Yes, seasoning. Like things that you put on your food. It smells like seasoned hair products. Nope. So this is going to be a very short review, because even in a dry down, the opening is so absolutely not. Now, it doesn't stink, but it smells almost like something you could eat that's more savory than gourmand. So if you like a savory fragrance, you'll like that. It's not for me. I prefer more gourmand fragrances, or if it's going to be a floral that's not too spicy. That is just straight up seasoning. Like, I might spray some of that on some food later. That might be a thing, spritzable seasoning. But let me know what you think about the Derek Lam collection, and if you've tried A Hold on Me. Particularly, does it smell good on you? Because it didn't work for me. Until next time, I am Margarita, and you have an awesome day. Bye.